Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi broke out of its downtrend channel last week, but buyers don't seem to have a high conviction or aggressive risk appetite in pushing the market further up yet, as the index did not make higher highs. Evident in last week's move, the selling pressure that started in late July seemed to have paused for now, with the PSEi trading within a sideways range between 6,100 to 6,300. This new range may be our local benchmark's trading band in the meantime, but our bias is still skewed to the downside given the lack of near-term catalyst to prop up the market. While the PSEi consolidates near the support level of 6,100, it may be a good time to carefully hand-pick stocks trading at undemanding valuations and discounted prices.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
our August 2023 trade recap. For the month of August, we featured a total of 9 trade ideas. Out of these, 7 became live for the month. We realized gains on GTCap, Keeper, and Nickel, while Costco, SSI, Bloom, and AGI incurred mark-to-market losses. Despite registering paper losses, trade ideas on both Costco and SSI remain live, and we still see rally potential for both stocks. The remaining 2 stocks, Meg and Glow, continue to be in our monitoring list as their buy prices are not yet triggered for a buy action. In peso value, if our trade ideas were equally allocated 10,000 each, we would tally a net gain of 983, and this translates to a 1.4% gain on invested capital of 70,000, assuming that all positions were sold by market close of August 31st. Despite a lower win rate of 43% in August, the return of our trade ideas outperformed the PSEi, which declined month on month.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media